Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to another video. This video is also going to be about giving back to the community here. Since Christmas is coming up, there will be a toy drive to give kids and families toys who would not be able to afford them. So what I plan on doing is wrapping my car in Christmas wrapping paper, as you see on top of my car right there, and just going to the meet like this. I already picked up some toys, but I may have to go pick up some more. We'll see. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the wrapping of the car. I already wiped the car down with Simple Green so that the tape will have, I guess, a better surface to stick to. So let's go ahead and get that started. So as you can see, I'm not in my big garage today. I'm just in the house garage right now. But yeah, like I said, I have everything cleaned up here. I don't plan on wrapping the mirror here or like these small areas here or the doorknob. Yeah, we'll see how I can do this. I've never done it before. I've never, like I said in the other video, I've never even worked with wrap before. So even Christmas wrap, that is something different. But I know that the Christmas wrap could tear easily, and I hope that it won't be raining to get it all wet. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started and we'll see what we can do. So I have two ways that I plan on adhering the paper to the car. Either this way, the tape right here, where I just tape like the edges, or the double-sided tape here. I'm leaning more towards the double-sided tape, and then just using this roll of tape just for like extra security. So we'll see how this one goes. I tried like a little area already, and the wrap's not perfect. It gets kind of like crinkly, which it's okay. Like the wrap's only staying on for a little bit, but yeah, we'll try and see what the best route is and what looks the best, I guess. Alright, so since the wrapping paper is not long enough to do the whole door vertical anyways, I don't think it will be. If it will, it will be very close. But I'm gonna do it horizontally so I can get coverage from all the way top all the way to the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead. So first, I'll go ahead and just lay the tape down. What I plan on doing with the tape is just stretching it out. Putting it somewhere close here. So I tried this double-sided tape and it's not too strong, so I hope that it will be strong enough to hold the paper. But I tried it like in my door jamb and left it there for a couple of days and took it off. So it does come off pretty easily. It's just like you should kind of just like rip it off. So we'll see if it holds. I'm hoping that it does, but yeah, I'll just go ahead and just put this everywhere that I want the tape. I'll probably do like a little a rectangle and then like some small spots within like the door just so that it can hold it at random places. So let's go ahead and do that then.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
So this is with the double-sided tape on.
So offering simple phrase.
Like I was saying, it should be pretty easy to take off. So just rub your finger like this and then it just comes off. So on the removal process of the tape, I'm not too worried about. Let's go ahead and put the wrapping paper on the door and see what it's going to look like. I think it's going to be kind of crinkly, but I guess that's how guys wrap presents anyway. So people will know that it's a guy's car. So as expected, there are little wrinkles here and there, but it's not too bad at all. It's stuck on pretty good. It's pretty much on there. Like a little bubble right here, but I could just cut like little relief slit and then just put tape over it or something. Yeah, but yeah, we'll see. Everything looks pretty good. It shouldn't be too bad. So let's go ahead and get working on the whole car. So this is the door here finished. I'm just gonna leave the door handle covered because it's not staying like this for a long time, and no one's gonna be coming in the back seat anyway. So, but I will leave the front two door handles accessible. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. It's not too bad actually. So I might just keep doing the double-sided tape method and do that to the rest of the car. I'll probably leave the carbon fiber spoiler alone as well as the mirrors. But yeah, I don't see it taking me too much time. So, but hopefully I can get some help and finish this quicker because it is pretty cold in the garage. It's about 30 degrees outside, so I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around there in here too. But yeah, let's go ahead and finish this project. So that's what I got so far on the passenger, the front passenger door. But I heard that it is snowing outside now. So let's take a look outside to see the snow. And yeah, it is snowing. That's probably why it's so cold, but yep, this is one of the first snows of the Pacific Northwest. I guess the lowlands. I mean, it's been snowing in the mountains, but not too much here in the cities.
The next day.
Good morning. It is day 2 of working on the car. As you can see behind me, it snowed pretty good last night. So I guess that's going to bring the temperatures down in my garage even colder. Working with numb hands and numb fingers is pretty tough, but I got a pretty good amount done. I'll show you guys right here. So I got the front bumper and the sides here done a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on it, and I'll show you guys when I'm finished. It is the end of, I don't know what day this is. I think day 2. But we got the roof done. This whole side. The trunk. Rear bumper. This side is almost done. So we gotta just do the bottom skirt there. These A-pillars, the hood, and then this side of the bumper, and then it'll be all done. But yeah, it's just having a family and just doing stuff during the day, so that takes time away from working on the car, and it's not really too important to get it done as soon as possible because I have until Sunday, but I should be done tomorrow, which is Saturday, and hopefully take it out to the store as well. So yeah, the product is pretty good so far, and I will check back in once the car is all completed. Alright, so I am finished with the car. I think that it looks pretty good, so I'll show you guys clips of it here, and tomorrow is the toy run, so I will give you guys some footage of that as well. The project, it was okay. It was really cold. I used a lot of tape. I only ended up using a little bit more than one roll. I think it was like a 60-yarder. But yeah, it's a good project. It's all for the kids, so I hope you guys find it in your guys' heart to donate toys or money or anything that you guys can to the families that are in need this holiday season as well. So yep, here is a little cinematic of the car, and I'll show you guys the cars that are at the meet as well. So I just got back from the toy run, and before I started this project, I checked the weather, and it said that it was not going to rain or snow on today, Sunday. But as you can see behind me, it did. I am at my parents' house right now. I probably wouldn't be able to make it home. I was barely able to make it up the hill that is here. But yeah, take a look at the car now, all of the hard work that went into it. I'll see if I want to revive it or not, but yeah, we'll see what I want to do with it. If not, then it was a failed project. Not because of installation or anything, but just because of the weather. But yeah, here it is. So yeah, when I was driving, it started peeling off. We started with the roof here, and then I just got off the freeway, and then I just took the small roads because I didn't want all this stuff, all the wrapping paper flying all over the place. But yeah, it sucks because I didn't get to go to the toy drive that I wanted to go to because of the weather. But at least it looks good, I guess. But yeah, it kind of sucks that this happened, but I'm at my parents' house right now, and I'm gonna try to clean their garage. Yeah, I'm gonna try to clean their garage right there so I can put my car in it and hopefully keep it safe for a day or so. I think it should stop snowing in like a few hours, and then I'll just come back tomorrow and take my phone from there because it didn't like driving in the snow today. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update on what I plan on doing when I do get it home, and if I should even buy more tape just to fix the areas that need it. I don't know, but we'll see. I'll check back in a bit, or check back in tomorrow. So I just got the car back from my parents' house. It did snow, as you saw, so there was still some snow on the ground. But I will show you guys how the car looks now. I did see some pieces flying off the car when I was driving home, but I don't think I'm going to try to fix it. I mean, I could, but then the weather says, the forecast says that it's going to be raining anyway, so I'm probably not going to be able to take it out to any more toy drives or anything, which is unfortunate because you know, I did this for the kids and I wanted to do this, you know, just, I guess, you know, it's just for fun. But I mean, I don't really feel like it's like a waste or anything, because some people got to see it, you know, some kids got to see it and some kids got to enjoy it. So I guess it's a win. But yeah, I mean, time and money did go into it, and I didn't get to show it. I did not get to show it how I wanted to, but you know, it's okay. It's always next year, and maybe I'm in the wrong state with the wrong kind of weather to do this kind of stuff. But most of it stayed on. I'll show you guys how the car looks like, and yeah, I guess thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, comment below, and please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Just remember to enjoy life and go slow.